how to upload more designs fast and easy on your store in RedBubble. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload more designs fast. So first thing we do, you go here and then click on manage portfolio, and after that click on add new work, and you will have two options, but we all know that this is what we click, but now you should choose this one. Click copy an existing work, and now if you click at this, you will find everything ready, from the description, the title, the everything, and that will make you upload fast on RedBubble. That's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.